The wheat crop grown per acre by farmer in different part of a state is given below. Here the wheat crop per acre quintal which is given and the number of farmers. Here they ask to find the mean and median for the wheat crop per acre. So first take the question into your book. Here is the question number 4. As in the question they are asking the mean as well as the median. So first we'll find out mean. Again I am going to use direct method, that is sigma fx upon n. Here we can see the information is given in continuous frequency distribution. So first we'll find out mid value, which will be denoted as x. Here I find out the mid value, that is 20 plus 25 divided by 2. You will get the answer. Same as for the remaining, just find out the mid value. Then frequency minus x. With the mid value you will get fx. That's what I am ready with, which is exactly asked in the formula. So here the sigma fx will be 41675 divided by n, that is 116. You will get the answer 35.926. 35 point, अब ये 6 5 से ज़्यादा नंबर है तो 2 एक डिजिट बढ़ जाएगा by 3. This is how we completed the mean. Next they ask is median. Now for the median, ये continuous frequency distribution है तो 2 स्टेप में ये फॉर्मूला लगेगा, value of n upon 2 the observation, and for median we only need the one column, that is cumulative frequency. So here we'll write down the value of n is 116 divided by 2 the observation. So here we'll get 58 out of this calculation. तो cumulative frequency में जाके देखते हैं 58 वाला नंबर कौन से नंबर में आएगा. 12 और 35 कम है तो 80 will be the number where it will come. Here first check, it's a exclusive frequency distribution, तो lower limit हम 30 को डिक्लेयर करेंगे, फ्रीक्वेंसी 45 और क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी में से जो ऊपर वाला नंबर है दैट विल बी आ क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी. सो हियर विल राइट डाउन लोअर लिमिट प्लस n upon 2 माइनस क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी डिवाइड बाय फ्रीक्वेंसी इनटू क्लास लेंथ. लोअर लिमिट 30, n upon 2 58, cumulative frequency that is 35 divided by frequency 45, and the class length between the distance is 10. So here we'll calculate out of this 23 divided by 45 into 10. First just make a calculation of this much and then we'll add. The calculation of this we found 5.11. The remaining is also 1, so I kept only 2 digits. Add them, it will be 35.11 quintal. So this is what the answer for mean and the median which has been asked in the question. Next 5. The distributor of age 150 spectators in a theater is as follow. Here are the age and the spectators are given. Find the mode of age spectator by using a graphical method. So for this, first we'll take this information in the graph. But before we take, let's check the class. Is it normal? 15 to 20, 5. 20 to 25, there is a class length of 5. Again 25 to 30, 5. But here you can see 30 to 40 means here the class length has been changed. So when the class length will be changed, we here will make a calculation out of the formula. So first take these 2 columns into your book. Here my graph is ready and even I wrote the information which is given in the question, and out of this already remove the class length. As the class length is not equal, हम यहाँ पे ये वाला formula use करेंगे, that is frequency divide by class length multiply by the least class length. least मतलब सबसे कम वाला class length. यहाँ पे हमें 5 दिख रहा है जो सबसे कम है, तो in each and every calculation will take 5. Please take your calculator to calculate frequency, that is 6, divide by class length, divide by 5, multiply by the class length 5. Better I'll show you the calculation. Frequency यहाँ पर है 6 divide by the class length which is 5 multiply by the least class length, सबसे कम वाला class length 5, तो ये 5 हर एक calculation में तो 5 ही रहेगा. Get this calculation out, you will get 6. Obviously the 5 will get cut. The next frequency is 13 divided by class length, that is again 5 into the least class length 5, the answer will be 13. The next frequency 19 divided by class length multiply by the least class length, the answer will be 19. Next frequency 52 divided by class length 10 into the least class length, again we'll take 5 for each and every calculation. यहाँ पे आप कंफ्यूज मत हो जाना, ये क्लास लेंथ नीचे रखना है, पर लीस्ट क्लास लेंथ जो हमने एक बार सिलेक्ट कर दिया कि 5 रखना है तो हर एक में हम 5 ही कैलकुलेट करेंगे. इट वुड बी 26. The next one is 34 divided by 10 the class length multiply by the least class length, you will get 17. The next frequency 18 divided by class length into the least class length, that is 9. Next frequency 8 class length 20 into the least class length 5, you will get 2. So this is what the frequency you are going to look for. और यहाँ से हम क्लास देखेंगे, क्लास ये देखना है और फ्रीक्वेंसी ये वाली देखनी है. डोंट टेक दिस. अब हम ये ही दो कॉलम को चेक करके ग्राफ बनाएंगे. सो फर्स्ट क्लास इज 15 to 20 एंड हियर आई स्टार्टेड विथ 10, 20, 30, 40 एंड ऑल. तो 15 विल बी मस्ट बी द सेंटर. तो 15 to 20 मीन्स this is the one which I am going to take. For class 15 to 20 it should be go till 6. और यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो मैंने 2 के मल्टीप्लिकेशन में लिया है नंबर. सो 15 to 20 के लिए I have to go till 6. So this much bar will be get ready. The next is 20 to 25. नेक्स्ट क्लास है 20 to 25. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो कि 20 की 30 की लेंथ बनाई है, बट विल टेक टिल 25. सो 20 to 25 के लिए फ्रीक्वेंसी देखनी है टिल 13. तो 13 के लिए जाना है 12 और 14 के बीच, यानी कि यहाँ पर इन द सेंटर. The next one is 25 to 30 where I have to go till 19. 25 to 30 19 तक जाना है. तो 12, 14, 16, 18 और 18 और 20 के बीच में आ जाएगा 19. So I'll go till here and just you people use your scale and make it properly. This is just for the explanation. And the next one is 30 to 40 where I have to go till 26. So 30 to 40 is here is ready and I have to go till 26. And here I can see the 26 till here. You people can do better with the scale with 2 hands. Next is 40 to 50 where I have to go till 17. ये रहा 40 to 50 और मुझे जाना है till 17 तक. तो 12, 14, 16 and 18 here will be the center, will be the 17 and just join them. The next one is after completing 40 to 50 we'll go to 50 to 60 where I have to go till 9. ये रहा 50 to 60 वाला क्लास और यहाँ पे जाएंगे till 9 तक. 8 और 10 के बीच में that would be our center which will be denoted as 9. Last one 60 to 80 till 2. 60 to 80 यानी कि ये दोनों को merge करेंगे and it have to go till 2. तो 2 will be the only 1 centimeter difference. So here I completed the histogram. Here I completed the histogram and A, we don't forget to give this name, C, D, E, F, and where the line has been intersect it goes till 34. 30 to 35 के बीच में 34, which so here will declare the mode will be 34. Next, question number 6. A producer believes that the mode of his daily production is 70. The distribution of production from the data obtained after making some changes in the design of a produced unit is as follows. Here are the number of units are given and the number of days. Is there any change in the mode of the number of items produced? First, check with the class. Here we can see the class is the normal length is given, but it is in the inclusive continuous frequency distribution, and here the frequency, where we can see even the frequency has been repeated. So here we'll use the formula of FM. Now first we'll find out that which is the maximum frequency carrying here is 10, which will be declared as a FM. Uske upar wala will be F1, the down one will be F2, and with the maximum frequency cover the number which will be known as a lower boundary point. अब lower boundary point पे यहाँ पे ध्यान देना कि ऊपर वाला नंबर नीचे रिपीट नहीं हो रहा, तो ये इंक्लूसिव क्लास फ्रीक्वेंसी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन है, तो यहाँ पे हम 70 से -0.5 माइनस करेंगे और हमारा लोअर बाउंड्री पॉइंट होगा 69.5. एंड टू फाइंड आउट द क्लास लेंथ 70 एंड 74 का क्लास ले लो, इससे 0.5 माइनस करो एंड हियर 0.5 प्लस कर लो, तो हियर यू विल गेट 69.5 and here 74.5. Now get them minus, so you will get the class length is 5. Now let's take the formula to find out the mode. Here we'll take the formula lower limit Fm minus F1 divided by 2Fm minus F1 minus F2 into C. So the lower boundary point here will take 69.5 plus Fm, that is 10, F1 7, down to 10, 7 minus the F2 is 8 into the class length 5. 69.5 plus 10 minus 7 will be 3, 2 into 10 20, minus will get plus, that but the sign will remain minus. यहाँ पे माइनस माइनस ही रहेगा, पर माइनस प्लस हो जाएगा. 7 plus 8 will be 15 into 5. So 69.5 plus here 3 upon 5 into 5, get them minus. Your answer will be 72.5. That's what the mode we found out of this question. Next, question number 7. Question number 7. The data for a sale of oil tins of 2 companies sold in a shop are as follow, which shows the sale of 40 days. Number of oil tins which is given in the question, and the number of days the company X frequency is given and company Y frequency is given. If median is used to compare the sale, while company can be said to have a higher sale. Now here they are asking to find out the median. अगर आपको मीडियन ढूंढना है तो हमें सिर्फ क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी एक ही कॉलम हमें चाहिए आउट ऑफ कंपनी एक्स एंड वाई टू फाइंड आउट द मीडियन. एंड हियर द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट इज़ ये यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो कि क्लास आपको इंक्लूसिव कंटिन्यूस फ्रीक्वेंसी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन में दिया है. आपको अगर इंक्लूसिव कंटिन्यूस फ्रीक्वेंसी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन में दे क्लास, तो यहाँ पे लोअर लिमिट में आपको -0.5 करना पड़ता है. लेट्स आई शो यू ओवर हियर. Here you can see the company X and company Y. First I wrote the class which is common. दोनों में class common है, frequency अलग अलग दी थी, पर total दोनों frequency का 40 ही है. And even the cumulative frequency will be different as the frequency was different in the both the company. Out of this, अगर continuous frequency distribution हो तो यहाँ पे 2 step वाला formula लगता है, that is n/2 and this one in the both. Out of n 40 divided by 2, here I found 20th observation, जो 1 और 4 के क्लास में नहीं 21 क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी क्लास में आएगा. और क्योंकि वो इंक्लूसिव फ्रीक्वेंसी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन है, 10 में से -0.5 कर देंगे तो लोअर लिमिट हमारा 9.5 होगा. क्लास लेंथ फाइंड आउट करने के लिए 10 ये वाली क्लास हमने सिलेक्ट की ना, 10 और 13, उसमें से 10 में से -0.5 करेंगे और 13 में से +0.5. अगर 10 में से -0.5 करते हैं तो 9.5 आएगा, और 13 में 0.5 प्लस करेंगे तो 13.5 आ जाएगा। दोनों नंबर को अगर आप माइनस करते हो यू विल गेट द आंसर 4। कैलकुलेटर में 9.5 माइनस 13.5 अगर आप ऐसे करोगे तो ये वाला बड़ा नंबर है तो आंसर आपको -4 बताएगा। बट डोंट टेक -4, take 4 as a class length. I'll show you with the solution. The lower limit is 9.5 plus n upon 2 हमने अभी ढूंढा था 20, CF उसके ऊपर वाला नंबर that is 4 and the frequency 17 multiply by C that would be 4, and out of this calculation 9.5 plus 20 minus 4 will be 16 divided by 17 into 4. 9.5 plus, just get it, calculate in your calculator, you will get 3.76 and 4 जो कम है, नंबर 5 से कम है तो ये वाला नंबर हम ऐड ही नहीं करेंगे, हम ले लेंगे 9.5 प्लस 3.76. Add them both, you will get the answer 13.26. That's what the answer will be. Same like this we'll also find out for company 5. यहाँ पर भी फ्रीक्वेंसी 40 थी तो ऑब्जर्वेशन 20th ऑब्जर्वेशन ही आया, जो 5 और 14 कम है। 34th इज़ द क्लास जहाँ से हम हमारा बिग नंबर का, बिग फॉर्मूला का सारा वैल्यू ढूंढेंगे। अगेन हियर वी गॉट द क्लास ऑफ 10 to 13, so the lower limit will be 9.5, same as what I shown you here, and even the class length will be the 4. So first we'll write down the lower limit, that is 9.5, and upon 2 we found 20 minus CF, the frequency, cumulative frequency will be 14, and the frequency of the same line, that is 20, and the C will be 4. 9.5 plus 20 minus 14, 6 upon 20 into 4. 9.5, keep it as it is and remove the calculation of this much, you will get 1.2, and the total answer will be 10.7. This is what the median we found out of question number 7. Now the last question for this chapter from the section F, 8th one. The distribution of age in complete year at the time of marriage of 50 married men is as follow. Age 21 to 23, 24 to 26, 27 to 29, 30 to 32, 33 to 35. Here you can see the class is given in inclusive continuous frequency and the frequency is given, and the question is asking to find the mode of their age at the time of marriage using graphical method. So for this you need your graph book and copy down the question which is given over here, but be sure and be alert, this is the one information which is giving you the information in inclusive continuous frequency distribution. तो ये सबसे पहले हम convert करेंगे into the exclusive continuous frequency. Here you can see the age and the number of men. आपको अगर convert करना है exclusive frequency continuous frequency distribution में तो लोअर लिमिट माइनस होता है 0.5 से और अपर लिमिट प्लस होता है 0.5 से। Here you can see the class is ready. Out of this class which I have displayed on the x-axis, where you can see 20.5, 23.5, 26.5, the one which I found just now, exclusive continuous frequency. मैंने उसी को यहाँ पे रखा है क्योंकि हमें जब हम ग्राफिकल मेथड यूज़ करें हमें एक्सक्लूसिव कंटिन्यूस फ्रीक्वेंसी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ही चाहिए, क्योंकि हमारे सारे बार जॉइंट्स होंगे जब हम उनको ड्रॉ करेंगे, हिस्टोग्राम बनाएंगे, राइट? तो उस टाइम पे सारे बार जॉइंट्स होने चाहिए। एंड द फ्रीक्वेंसी विच इज़ नंबर ऑफ मैन विच विल बी डिस्प्ले ऑन द वाई एक्सिस, एंड एज आई एम टेकिंग डायरेक्टली 20.5, हियर आई जस्ट मेड अ लिटिल zigzag टू शो कि डायरेक्टली हमने यहाँ से 20.5 से स्टार्ट किया है। सो हियर विल चेक दिस क्लास एंड विथ दिस, कंपेयर विथ दिस फ्रीक्वेंसी। तो क्लास है 20.5 to 23.5 वेयर वी हैव टू गो द नंबर ऑफ मैन 6। तो ये रहा क्लास 20.5 to 23.5 वेयर आई विल गो टिल 6। So this is the one bar is ready. The next one is 23.5 to 26.5 will go till 21. ये रहा 23.5 to 26.5. which will go till 21. ये रहा 20 to 22, 20 to 22. तो यहाँ पे we'll take it from the center. You people please better use your scale. Don't do the way I am doing, because I'm using one single hand. Next is 26.5 to 29.5, 15 तक जाना है. 26.5 to 29.5, here will go till 15, and this is the 16 and 14, which will be the center, will be the 15. Okay, next is 29.5 to 32.5, will go till 6. This is the class, और ये रहा 6. You can see the 6th. Next, the last one is 32.5 to 35.5, will go till 2. The last class will go till 2. So here we complete, as we are drawing a graphical method. यहाँ से यहाँ तक का बार आपको क्रॉस करना है. Even here you have to cross and give the point A, B, C, D, E, F, and the where they intersect the two line, वो होगा हमारा mode. Here you can see, for this obviously we need a scale and properly it should be drawn, and here it stop between here, which I denoted the mode as a 25.5 years. Don't forget to give the points A, B, C, D, and E, F. That was the last question from section F. See you all in the next chapter.